Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new video. In this video, I will teach you about how to use user-generated content in marketing campaigns. Today, we're diving into a powerful marketing strategy that can skyrocket your brand's reach and credibility. It's user-generated content. UGC is like having an army of enthusiastic fans promoting your products or services for you. It's authentic, relatable, and incredibly effective. So all you need to do is to encourage your customers or followers to share their experiences with your brand. This can be through reviews, testimonials, or creative content like photos and videos. And also, you need to curate the best UGC that aligns with your brand's message and values. Showcase it on your website, social media, or even in your email campaigns. And don't forget to show appreciation to those who contribute. Whether it's a simple thank you or a shout out, make your UGC creators feel valued. And that's it! You now know how to use user generated content in your marketing campaigns to build trust and engage your audience on a whole new level. In conclusion, leveraging user generated content can breathe life into your marketing efforts, creating a genuine connection with your audience. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch your brand flourish. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use user generated content in marketing campaigns. See you on my next video.